Good morning everyone. My report is Therapeutic Community Program by the Bureau of Corrections of Bucor. This is page 60 to 61. The Therapeutic Community or TC program represents an effective, highly structured environment with defined boundaries, both moral and ethical. The primary goal is to foster personal growth. This is accomplishment by reshaping an individual behavior and attitudes throughout the inmates community, working together to help themselves and each other, restoring self-confidence and preparing them to reintegrations into their families and friends as productive member of the community. Ang TC program kuno or Therapeutic Community ay nagrepresent na epektibo na programa para sa pag-uturonan ng mga inmate an ila moral and ethical. Kini na program para mabago ang mga inmate para mabalik ang ilang pagsalig sa ilang kaugalingon, para sa maka-prepared sila pagbalik sa ilang mga families and friends as productive members of the community. Pattern after date of TC New York, which is base of the Therapeutic Community moment in the world. The Bucor TC program was adopted as part of a pure holistic approach towards inmate rehabilitation. It is implemented primarily but not limited to drug dependence. Ang Bucor TC program ko nag-adapt as a part of pure holistic approach kay para mabago ang mga inmate rehabilitations. This implemented primarily but not limited to drug dependence. The TC approach has been continuously proven worldwide as an effective treatment and rehabilitations modality among drug dependent and have been noted to be effective in many prisons. By immersing a drug offender in the TC environment, he learns why he had developed his destructive habits, which lead him to substance abuse. The program modifies negative behavior and or attitudes while restoring self-confidence and prepares inmates for their integrations into their families and friends as productive members of the community. This behavioral modification program gradually reshapes or restructures the inmate within the family-like environment wherein every member acts as his father keeper. Ang TC program ko is ginapadayon na kapatinood sa worldwide na grabe ka epekto ang treatment and rehabilitations among sa mga drug dependents. And kini na program is epektibo sa mga prisons. The program modifies negative behavior. The program is ang program na TC is ginautro nila o ginabago ang mga negative behavior or attitudes while sa pag-utro sa pagsalig sa ilang kaugalingon para makaandam ang mga inmates sa pagbalik sa ilang families and friends or as a productive member of the community. As TC family members go on with their daily activities, a strong sense of responsibility and concern for each other welfare and develop. They are constantly being monitored for their progress and are regularly being evaluated by the TC trained staff. The TC process allows for genuine introspections, cultivations of self-worth, and positive rationalizations that move the individual towards assuming greater sense personal and moral responsibility. The efforts of the Bureau of Corrections to rehabilitate drug dependents under his care using the TC approach in line its commitment to create a drug prisons. Worldwide developments in the treatment rehabilitation of drug offenders using this therapeutic community approach have been noted to be effective in many prisons. And TC family members or therapeutic community family members, ginapadayon nila for their daily activities para sa responsibility and concerns para sa usa-tusa. Ginamonitor nila ang kabaguhan o ang mga pagproseso kung epektibo pagyap sa mga inmate. The TC program of the Bureau of Corrections helps persons deprived of liberty to become productive citizens by offering various livelihood programs that provide skills and trainings. And TC programs or therapeutic community ginatabang nila sa paggamit sa skills and trainings para sa mga hibayan ng mga skills may padayon gyapon nila kay epekto gyapon ini para mabag-oan mga inmate. And PDL or person deprived liberty is aminian mga pending pan ila trial or judge. That's it. Thank you.